Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this texture minimalist art design, I just used wall filler and I mixed it with a little bit of water, and I just started creating a base on the canvas, and I just kept adding more filler to create a thicker base to work on. And then I started adding these little swirls on top of the base to create like a very organic design. And I just went back and redid it a couple of times. I had two buckets of filler, so one of them was more diluted and it was easier to create that base with, and the other one that was drier I used to create the swirlies and create more volume. So I decided to go ahead and redo the swirls just because I thought they were too small, but I did them bigger. I wish I could have gotten rid of the texture from the spatula. At first I really liked it and now I'm not in love, but I think it's fine. I think it's cool, and we'll see how it looks once it dries out and I put it on the wall. So this is the end result. I actually love how it looks. I love walking around and kind of like seeing this as I walk by, and it kind of gives me the feel that it looks like flowers or something, because this also looks kind of like stems, and then you have the leaves or the little buds of the flowers. It took about maybe like the whole night to dry out completely. So to make that painting, I bought some filler, which is basically the wall filler that you use to fill up holes after, you hammer a lot of holes into your wall. And I diluted it a little bit with the tiniest bit of water. At first I added too much and then it was like too liquidy, but I think that the water really helps with keeping the texture of it still like lighter and easier to work with and maneuver. It stays wet for longer because once it starts to dry out, it's just really hard to work through. And I actually went over it a couple of times because I did it once and I didn't like it, so I went over it again. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I would recommend you to get like a couple of spatulas or different things to get different effects, maybe some sponges, or like using maybe like crumbled up plastic and kind of like giving different effects. I think it's a really fun technique to do when you can actually try a lot of different things, so I would definitely do it again. If you're interested, you should definitely try it. You don't need a lot of skill to do this, so that's really nice. It's very quick and easy to do, and it's a lot of fun. So yeah, I definitely recommend it, and let me know down in the comments if you do try it, how it worked out, and if you have any tips to share with me as well. Thank you so much. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.